Dito, Main Street. Taking a little Christmas walk until you don't know. Waiting for the rest to come. Wow. Gonal. I got that like that. So you don't hear some music. Christmas light up. Just now we have a reach up with the crew and everything. Season details. Main Street, Georgetown, Guyana. Christmas light up. But come take pictures, snap. Landshark and the crew just pull up. Yeah, you move in. You got all lungs, alright.
We got sauce.
So here's your Main Street. Season greeting to one and all. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Outside of the team. Yeah, so we put Main Street, Georgetown. Christmas light up season greetings to one and all. See ya with more videos for the New Year. See ya with some videos for the New Year. I know I haven't been posting in a while, so.
Do it again. Right here. This one right there? Right there. Right there.
Wow, a beautiful island, beautiful Guyana. Oh, don't know sa Main Street yet. Just go with it, taking out some pictures and so on, you know. Adi Shark! Land Shark! Shark?
Run away.
Soon video will come. The house, oh, it's so nice.
have to feed it twice.
After video twice. Ako na. Siguro ako ang bak.
Like, that's so